Depending on the range model that you have, it's either gonna come with a single point or a multi-point probe. This is gonna give you accurate temperature results all the time. The way it works is you will either get a measurement temperature in one single point of your food or 3 points of your food. Your oven will also shut off once it reaches that desired temperature. One of my favorite things about this is that I don't have to open and close that oven, allowing hot air to escape, which means your food's gonna cook a little bit faster. With your meat probe, you're able to use true convection, convection bake, convection roast, or slow roast. To effectively use your meat probe on relatively smaller or thinner pieces of meat, ensure that you go in from the side. If utilizing a multi-point probe, ensure that the center measuring point of your probe is inserted all the way in. If you're using bigger pieces of meat, like prime rib, you're gonna have to go in from the top at an angle. Be sure that you use the probe that comes with your appliance. And also, your cavity should be 50 degrees Fahrenheit higher than your desired temperature. Your oven cavity should not be higher than 480 degrees. To prevent the meat probe from being damaged by excessive heat, there must be a gap of at least an inch or more between the broil element and the meat probe. The meat may expand during the cooking process. Once your oven's preheated to your desired cavity temperature and desired cooking mode, to activate, insert the meat probe into the socket on the right-hand side of the oven cavity. Be sure to wear oven mitts while inserting the meat probe in. Then close the appliance door. The probe icon will appear on the oven display screen. Now touch the oven cavity temperature, swipe to the left or right to select the required oven cavity temperature. Touch the symbol to apply the setting. Once a set temperature has been reached, the appliance automatically switches itself off. After using, always remove the meat probe from the oven cavity. It's very important to make sure that you're using oven mitts to unplug the meat probe. Never store it inside the oven cavity. We hope that this video helps you understand your single probe or your multi-point probe to achieve the perfect meal. Thank you.